What's good, YouTube? It's Simple White Creek. I'm back with another video, man. Today's video is part 2 of what's in the box challenge. First, before we get into the video, I just want to say thank y'all. All the support y'all been giving me. So this is my little way of giving back. So right now, I got 2 links in the description. Click it. One, you get 30% off of all camera gear. So if you need lenses, tripods, mics, SD cards, whatever you need, any kind of camera, GoPro, click that link, you get 50% off. And also, I got a 30% off link in my bio for any Apple products. So make sure you click that link, man. Get your Apple products and camera gear, 30% off, 50% off. Shout out to eBay. We on. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's OGTV, man. We going up. Stay tuned, and I'm out of this bitch game.
Got time for God, got time for mom, but don't got no time for no silly hoe. Watch cause a brick, I drop a dime. Round your head if you want some smoke. I got a gun, you got a fist. I think you know how this gonna go. I own the bomb, I am the shit, but I didn't come from no toilet bowl. Now down, back out, I'm take the cash route, I'm smashed out. I be the back out, I was locked up, getting pat down.
Go on.
Ready?
Yeah, go on.
There's a lot of wet shit. Wet. It's not in the box? Oh. Is it a french fry?
No! Is that worm? I want worm?
I candy. Candy?
Yeah.
It feels like, it's like, oh my fucking god, what is it called? It's a Swedish fish. It's a Swedish.
Oh, it's a gummy worm?
It's a gummy worm.
Oh, no.
This is like, what is it? Food?
Yeah, this is...
Oh, I don't know why I did that. Sorry.
Wait, should I...
I don't know, but it.
Go ahead.
What? It feels like a bar or something.
Yeah, it feels
Like a
like a granola.
noodles. Ramen noodles.
Yeah, ramen noodles. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, bro, chill out, bro. That's a bird, bro.
You stupid.
Nah, this feels like my... Nigga, this feels like some like balls when I don't shave.
What?
Nigga, this feels like some like balls when I don't shave.
Gay.
No, what you mean? Mouse? Is it mouse? Bro!
What kind of mouse?
I'm not gonna be touching shit.
You stupid.
Oh my god, it's
No,
not.
bro. It's not like a bird. I don't know. I love animals, but I don't want to
Can I take it home, bro?
I want a pet.
Maybe after
Is it a pet?
Huh?
Is it an animal?
Come on, y'all gotta say what kind of mouse.
Bro, I'm so
Is it a
scared.
rat? Is it a guinea pig? Is it a... Feel it around some more.
I'm so
Okay, you
scared.
got no more hints. Dead mouse.
Bro, I swear to God, bro, what kind of fucking sick shit?
Is it a rat? Is it 6'9"? Is it 6'9"? Stupid. 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 Pick it up.
Oh, okay. Bro, what is that? That's trying to squeak it off or chirp it, whatever the fuck. Nigga, is this a peep?
I'm trying to think, bro.
You got the best one by far. I swear to God.
Okay, is this like a toy bird?
You're close, but no.
A toy mouse?
Yeah. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh my God.
I said mouse.
Wait, can I pick it up? It's nothing.
No, go back.
It's nothing.
Go back.
Oh, fuck it.
Now go so.
No, put them on.
Is it a condom?
Who's my Yeah, the sand. No, basil. What's in the sand?
Oh, shit. That's warm.
What'd you say? Oh, shit.
What is it? What'd you say?
That's a worm.
It's a word.
It's a lot.
It's a
That's a worm.
It's a word.
Hey, this is a lot, bro. Oh, shit. I thought something moving, bro. I feel like it's okay. 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3,
Why?
4.
What the
Five.
Is this a gummy? Is this a dick?
7.
Why a cooch? Is it a pocket pussy?
Oh, bucket, what? Hold on. No, hold on.
Where the weed at with the smoke? I thought spliff make my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, Tony in a ghost. Why do some boy them for no? We not take this on the road. Think I'm the shit, yeah I know.